ka na? Mahal?
Ready na.
Kinabahan ako nung nahawakan ko yung kamay niya. Kinakabahan ka?
Medyo.
There's no way to tell your worth. I could sail the distant sea, still be lonely.
Lord, bless this wedding day na maging successful and you will be glorified in our lives, Panginoon.
I believe that you're my one and only. So come with me.
Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, kilala kami ni Diana sa USANA, if you know it, noong 2020. At sa unang pagkakataon, nagkita-kita kami sa isang Zoom meeting.
Tapos din niya ako nakita. Tapos din na siya nag-start na mag-message.
Inad kita sa Facebook, pero ikaw ang unang nag-message. Chinat mo ko, hello po, pastor po kayo? Sabi ko, oo. Sa kabila ng hindi natin pagpapatuloy sa USANA, nagpatuloy tayo sa totoong buhay.
When we became one.
Pastor Edison!
When I saw your FB profile, I saw the answer to my prayers. Confirmed by God Himself.
Ate Zen!
Hindi ko alam na nagpipray ka pala na makakilala ng isang tulad ko. Sinagot ng Panginoon ang panalangin mo at ganun din ang panalangin ko.
We climb the mountain when the leaves are falling for you. When the winter comes, I'll keep you warm. I'll carry you through a springtime love. When the sun is shining, I'll climb the mountain. When the leaves are falling.
Pareho kami na dinala ng Panginoon doon para magtagpo, para ma-fulfill ko ano yung plano niya para sa akin.
I'll carry you through a springtime love.
Put God first, let God shine. Alam ko na, alam na yan, pero pag nawala ng shine si Dayan, ikaw magbibigay. Pag nawala naman ikaw ng shine, si Dayan magbibigay. Pag nawala kayong lahat ng shine, let God put shine in your life.
Pinaiyak ka, sumugod akin. Ako yata yung iyak.
Joke lang yun.
Kasi bago kita makita, bumulong ako sa Panginoon, sabi ko, Lord, sana bigyan niyo po ako ng isang babaeng mahal ka at mamahalin ako. At ikaw yun. Ang sagot ng aking panalangin. Ang sarap mahalin, bunga ng dalangin.
Our love grows deeper, our roots run wild, and nothing shall be able to separate us from the love of God when the sun is shining.
Lord Jesus, we thank you for this wonderful day that you have given to us. Salamat po, Panginoon, dahil this is the very day, Panginoon, na binigay niyo sa amin to show, Panginoon, kung gaano niyo kami kamahal.
I'll carry you through a springtime love. carry you through.
You are the one I am destined to love and share my life with. My prayer partner, my companion in joy and ministry, my forever partner. Your arrival has filled my heart with peace and joy.
You are no more twain, but one flesh. What therefore God hath joined together, let no man put asunder. You may now kiss your bride.
As a young woman, I vividly recall dedicating my life to the Lord. During an altar call, yearning to become the woman He envisions for me. In due time, God ignited a desire in my heart to be a pastor's wife.
I've never known a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one.
This gift symbolizes our first journey together as a couple. I'm excited to see you wear this on our first travel together. See you later, mahal. I love you. Ganda. Mahal, thank you so much for your effort and for your love, for sending me this gift. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I love you too.
And we've prayed, and here we are.
Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, walang Justin na ganito. Salamat po sa pagpunta, salamat sa suporta niyo. Mahal ko kayo.
For a lifetime.
Dayan, trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy path.
More and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar for a lifetime of I love you.
Mahal, hindi ka na nag-iisa. Dahil nandito na ako. Palagi papakinggan kita, sasamahan, at dadamayan sa lahat ng hamon ng buhay. Sabay nating bubuuin at aabutin ang ating mga pangarap.
Say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever.
Months before, meron din akong prepare na original song para sa'yo. Kasi alam ko na pangarap mo rin na magawan ka ng sarili ka.
From the depths of waiting, you found me there. You take us our foundation, together we will stand in this beautiful journey.
Mamahalin kita, gaya ng pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa akin. Susuportahan kita tulad ng pagsuporta ng Panginoon sa atin.
Our smiles, our songs, our stories, they're ours. For a lifetime, I'll love you. Two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine.
for doing it right and for giving your life to the Lord and for stepping into my life. I love you with the love of the Lord, and my heart rejoices that it is you.
Waited and we've prayed. Oh, darling, say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime.